Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with 4 spring Pinterest outfits where I take my pictures that I love and I'm always pinning on my Pinterest board and recreate them using clothes I already have in my wardrobe. You guys, this is my first full try on video but you're gonna be like, did you change anything? I know. So. And all these outfits are insanely covered up, but it doesn't matter. Who cares? We're here for it, all right? So as always, I make these videos to kind of inspire you to use what you already have in your wardrobe. But if you do not have some of these pieces in your wardrobe and you have a similar style, these are great videos to kind of figure out what you're missing. So without further ado, I will yap while I'm getting dressed. Start with look number 1. Love this white navy blue. I wore something very similar to this recently. I didn't put the white tee underneath, and I think I wore my Birkenstocks. So let's switch it up a little bit and let's put this together. So first things first, I think she has linen shorts on, but I'm gonna just do my denim because my linen shorts are somewhere in a pile over there and they're not steamed. Neither are these. I love these pants. These are like the mid-rise from Zara. I want them in every single color. They're so good. Now let's put on a little white tee. I've also been in love with these waves, these beachy waves. I actually like them better second day. This is first day, but I will do a tutorial if you want to see. It's pretty easy, but I don't know, it might be nice. I was thinking of having a tutorial for pretty much every hairstyle I wear, so that way if you're like, oh, I like your hair in this video, you can kind of click and see, because I feel like that would be helpful. Anyway, okay. She has a pair of just basic red flip-flops. I don't have anything basic that's red, but I do have these. These are from Target, but I tore off the back and created the strings. And I love them way more, but tons of brands make them now. So yeah, let's just do a little side tie. But I feel like these will get the same kind of idea as the red flip-flop. I don't like them super high up because then I feel like they look weird on the ankle. Cute. Okay, so basically, yeah. I think Old Navy has a pair similar to this too, and then you just cut the strings out and tie your strings through this part if you're curious. I followed a girl on a TikTok. I think it was TikTok or Instagram where she did it. And then my little Quince cardigan. You guys know I wear these everywhere. They're so good. Again, I get mine in a size large. And she has it pretty buttoned. This neck is kind of a little, oh no, it's fine. Once it's up, it's up. Okay, so she's kind of buttoned up. So this would be great if you need a little bit more warmth. Now, if you don't and you live in Texas, you probably don't need to have the white tee underneath. You can, but you don't need to. And then she's kind of just got it kind of flowing a little bit. So cute. I love this outfit. Don't want to get rid of it, or don't want to not wear it for the day. Sunnies. Yeah, that was look number 1. Super easy, super just simple but very put together. So I would say these are pieces that are must-haves, a white denim short. Specifically these white denim shorts, which are no longer sold. Hopefully they'll come out with something similar. Have just been my most favorite short ever. They're just so good. So I'm on the hunt for finding some new ones this summer, but I am really trying to use the ones that I couldn't fit into last summer and the summer before then to see if I can fit into them now. I did try a pair of Zara ones. They're a little tighter in the leg, but they still fit and they fit nicely. So we'll just kind of have to try on our old ones before we buy any new ones, but love this look. So cute, so classic, so good. Would also look great with linen shorts as well, but I kind of liked a little bit more of the structure. And any chance I get to wear these shorts, I do because they're so good. All right, look number 2. So that was look number 1, but look number 2 is a little bit more of an athleisure look, and I love this. Kathleen Post, she just has the most effortless, cool style where it's I don't know, she just has a ridiculous fashion closet situation. She does basics so well. She also elevates so well as well. It's just, is there anything she can't do? Probably not, but she also has a wardrobe that's probably 10 times my wardrobe, so we do the best we can, and I think that's also important. I know not everyone even has the size of wardrobe that I have. I have a lot of clothes. I'm aware of that. and she even more. So it's like kind of pick and choose because she's always promoting new things and I love that, but it's kind of hard to have everything new. But I love outfits like this because they show you that like these are basic staples that if you have in your wardrobe, no matter what year, like this outfit is always gonna be good. You know what I mean? So I know biker shorts are slightly going out though, and like the looser short is kind of coming in, but I still feel like bikers are great. So I don't think they're going anywhere, but this is a way to wear them outside of a workout class. So I'm gonna put on my little CRZ yoga, I think these are 5-inch. So weird, I haven't put workout clothes on in like a month at this point, which is so strange because I used to work out every single day, but oh well, we're healing. Okay, I did bring up my JIV undies, but oh well. If you have leggings and you hate the you know what that happens there, get a pair of JIV undies. I brought those up. I don't know. I didn't need to try them on for just this outfit, but if I was gonna stay in it, that's what I would wear. I just got a pair of like New Balances on, but I honestly was like, I kind of want to do a fun pop. So I'm gonna do my new Nike Vomeros, which I love. They're navy, neon green, and coral. It's like literally my perfect pop of color sneaker. And they're so comfortable. I still, like, my ankle still hurts from when I twisted it like a month ago. God, I'm so old. Cute. So cute. Love, 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 love. Okay, now she has a like shirt over the top. So let's put the denim shirt on. This is one of my like favorite thrifting finds ever. I got this like a couple of summers ago when I was in New York and I loved it. But Old Navy has, ooh, my earring just fell out. I don't know, you know, I need to like pinch the backs of these a little bit more. They need like pliers. That one kind of falls. I don't want it to. I love these little, I think they're called like the boho or hobo or dome. I don't know, I'll have a link down below from Quince. They've become like my new favorites. But anyway, she just kind of has it like slouchy, oversized. And then she has a tan hat on. I'm gonna do my brown hat. I would say even like navy would look good. One thing I will say is I don't love like this kind of curl with a hat. I just feel like it's a little funky. I don't know why. It's too much like volume happening. So I prefer to just do like no hat with this hair look or do like a straighter look, but she has this and she's all like, this is such a cute, good outfit, covers the tush. You're wearing clothes, but not like too much, but also this is like breathable. It's a cotton, obviously. It's old vintage Levi, but I love this look so much. But I just don't think I would wear the hat just because, like I said, I like the look of this without the hat, but obviously I can wear a hat. But this is so cute. So good. Okay, great little spring uniform, if you will. Let's move on to look number 3. You can see with all of these outfits, it's like very white. I think every single piece has like a white or a cream element to it. I love summer whites, like my fave. So let's take off these shoes and build the next outfit. I think we nailed that last outfit though. I love. And again, it's something that like I would but wouldn't pair all at the same time. And athleisure, like cool athleisure is kind of one of those like hard looks. They're very like effortless but intentional all at the same time. Kathleen does it really well, and so does this girl named Carolyn, something with a B. I don't know. Oh my God, I need to clean this mirror. Vomit. Okay. Whatever, let's put on our white denim Levi's. Just put these back in stock. These are in the bone color, and I literally always keep them cuffed. They're just my favorite. I honestly might hem them to be cuffed, but the Levi 501s are the perfect slim, straight jean to ever be invented at a reasonable price, I should say, because they are a reasonable price. This honestly looks good together, like cute. Okay, we're gonna put on a white tee and build the outfit. I think she just has hers kind of like untucked and out. So this is the size medium in the Uniqlo little tee. I'm gonna throw on, she has a tan pair of ballet flats. I'm gonna throw my Seamata ones. I love flats also with a pant like this. I just feel like it's so good. So cute. Okay, now, she's a sweater over the shoulder. I was debating between two of them, but I think I'm gonna go with this one. It's a little bit more tan. It's still very like neutral. Love, love, love. And honestly, I could still wear this very much. So like, it's not too hot. It's perfect. So cute. I think we nailed this look. I love everything about it. It would be fun to add like a fun pop if you wanted to, but I kind of like how everything is very tonal. So good. This one was one of my favorites, I think. All right, well, let's move on to the fourth and final one. My allergies are going ham. If you live in Texas, you know this is like the season where everything is covered in yellow-green dust that is pollen. That makes me want to just go back to bed, no lie. I never suffered with allergies until I had Arlo, and it's just like a wild thing that happens. During pregnancy, I guess. Heck if I know. Anyway, next up, we're gonna keep these same jeans on. I have so much cleaning in this office to do. It's so bad. I am typically somebody who's like, it needs to be clean, especially for Scott. I'm like, clean up your mess. It's like, but this room, don't look in it. Close the door. Pop on a little gray tank. I love these tanks from Abercrombie. They're so good. If I was wearing this for the rest of the day, which I want to, but then the other thing is I have to paint. So I'm probably gonna take this off and then I might change back into it. I might do jujitsu tonight. I haven't decided. Oh my God. So I posted in my vlog this like tanner. It was like this mousse or gel that I'd seen everywhere. It's called like beach. Are you kidding? Sir, that's annoying. Let me bite this thing. You ain't going nowhere now. You ain't going. I heard the clip. Anyway, I put the shell. First of all, I applied it like a gorilla. Like not good. Didn't know it was gonna be that dark and didn't know it was gonna stay on for 2 weeks pretty much. No, it was like a week, over a week. I've been scrubbing this stuff off for days trying to get it off, and like you can still kind of see it. Like I just applied it terribly. It's long lasting, super dark, doesn't come off, but I applied it splotchy and streaky, so I need to apply it with a mitt next time, but I'm kind of afraid because I'm like, I know how long it takes to get off, so I'm like, oh, I don't know. But last night I like finally feel like I scrubbed off the majority of it. But if you have that, it's like in a, I'll throw up a picture on the screen. If you have it, tell me, just applying it with a mitt make it better, because I'm like not like a newbie self-tanner, but I also was not like really taking my time, so could be that. I think I used too much product. Anyway, okay, so base on. I'm gonna go with a black belt. She has black accessories. This is such a good outfit already. I would wear little bra, like a bra clip, if I was wearing this for the rest of the day. Or heck, I could go braless now, you know, but I don't. Especially, well, not now, I'm not cleared to yet, but I'm gonna keep these puppies up as long as they can stay up, you know? Okay. Little black Target belt, my favorite, like literally my favorite find. And then she has some black flippies. I was gonna go either my Havianas, but I think I'm gonna do my little perfect clouds. I think I'm gonna get these in nude too, because they are that good. And then she has a sweater over the shoulder, which is kind of cream, but I think I'm gonna do this one. Yes. Oh, this is so good. Check out the hair. Love. And she's all like, this is so cute. We nailed this one. Again, kind of tonal, but black pops of accessories make it look so crisp and clean. All right, so that is the look. That is look number 4. As always, I'd love to know what your favorite look was in the comments down below, but I feel like we nailed every single one of them. I'm not gonna lie. I don't have a favorite. They're all so good. So, as always, I do love to know though, so yeah. As always, I make these videos though to kind of encourage you to fall in love with your outfits or your wardrobe and pick outfits that kind of like inspire you to use what we already have. But it's also, like I said, a great tool to kind of help build the wardrobe that you do want. If you're struggling with that now, use Pinterest and kind of try to see what the common theme is. So as you can tell, if I did not already own a great pair of white denim jeans, like this would be the opportunity to be like, you need it because you're loving all of these outfits with white denim jeans. So that's it. I love you guys. I will see you in the next video very, very soon.